What's up, guys? Johnny here. And a lot of you guys are wondering what I've been up to. Been grinding, staying busy, buying stocks, investing, working, doing whatever I can to make that money. And this right here is my new baby. The other car I had I gave to my wife, and now I get to drive around this baby every day. So that's what I've been doing. Sweet ride. Yep, this is it, guys. This is my baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. It goes so fast. It's the 2018 Dodge Challenger. This is a base model, so everything is pretty standard in here, but it still has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It can go from 0 to 60 in like 6 seconds or 5 point something seconds. It's smooth. The top speed's like 160. Took it out on the highway the other day and went, let's just say we went over the speed limit, and it was a lot of fun. Really smooth. I've already went on a 6-hour trip with this vehicle. Comfortable, smooth. You can't even hear really like anything on the highway. Like my old car, you could hear, if you got on the highway, you could hear the wind and stuff. And this one, it's just quiet. The bass is amazing when you do videos. When you watch, what am I saying? When I listen to music, the bass is really nice. So I've had it for about, I don't know, 2 weeks, about 2 weeks. And I love it. It's actually pretty good on gas. Not that bad at all. Of course, it's not as good compared to the Honda Civic, but, I don't miss the Honda Civic. I look like a giant, I just look like a giant in that car. Like, it was way too big for me to have. I got this, and it's super spacious, super comfortable. What else? I just enjoy it. I got it in blue. I was gonna get it in gray, but it didn't really show, it didn't really pop that much. You know what I mean? So I got it in blue, and super happy that I got it. Worked my butt off for it. Didn't take no for an answer when I went to 10 dealerships that all told me I needed a cosigner, which was just garbage because I had been in a car loan for the last 2 years and made on-time payments on that car, and they're like, well, you have a car, so we need another licensed driver to be put onto the loan. And I'm like, no. So I tried all kinds of dealerships. I tried Drive Time. I tried CarMax and a couple other companies, and then I finally got through with Carvana. Saw a commercial for them, and I was like, it's been 2 months of trying different places and seeing if my credit would work and this and that. And so I went through Carvana, and the experience was amazing. It was an awesome experience. Quick, fast, found the car I wanted. They basically delivered it to me. I came from Ohio, and they delivered it to me literally an hour away from my house. I picked it up. 1,700 miles. It's a 2018, so only one owner, and it was somebody who had a lease agreement for 2 years. Great vehicle, very great vehicle, great terms. I put $5,000 down on this, but got a great monthly payment, and the insurance wasn't too bad either because I bundled with the Honda Civic, so pretty cool. If you guys want to know more about the inside of the vehicle, or if I should go take it on a launch video with my wife or my dad or something and see what their reaction is, going from 0 to 60 so fast, or if you guys want more details or information on the car itself, or if you just like this video period, just go ahead and smash the like button. And I'm super excited. That's what I've been doing. Got this vehicle due to hustling hard and just not taking no for an answer. It's definitely a dream car I've always wanted, and I'm able to do it now through pure just hard work and just basic effort. Saved up and was able to do it. So yeah, it's possible for anyone too to do it, because 10 years ago I didn't have a single thing to my name. I barely even had clothes that I owned. So, 10 years ago when I graduated high school, I had almost nothing. Had like a wallet, a handful of clothes, and I started life, and just started working from there. And that's the story for most people too. You're starting from scratch. And I'm not done yet. There's a lot of things I want to do in the future. And if you guys are interested in some of that stuff, go ahead and smash the like button and comment below that you do like that kind of stuff, or you want to hear more about kind of things going on in my life. All right, you guys have a great day.